In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table of contents in Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly how to structure your page, drop in the table of contents block, and let Notion automatically generate clean, clickable links for easy navigation. First, prepare your headings. The table of contents only works if your page is organized with headings, so start by structuring your content using the slash commands. Type /h1 for your main sections, /h2 for subsections, and /h3 for smaller details under those. Think of H1 as the big chapter titles, H2 as the sections inside each chapter, and H3 as the finer points. Keep your headings clear and descriptive so your table of contents is easy to scan later. Short phrases usually work best and make the links more readable. Once your headings are in place, insert the table of contents block. Move to a new line where you want the table to appear and click the plus icon in the left margin. This opens the block menu. Scroll to the advanced block section and choose table of contents. If you prefer a quicker method, you can type /table of contents directly on the page and press enter. Either approach inserts the same block in the spot you selected, so pick whichever feels faster for you. As soon as the block is added, Notion will automatically generate a list of clickable links based on the headings already on your page. Subheadings like H2 and H3 will appear indented under their parent H1 to reflect the hierarchy you created. If you don't see much in the list, it usually means you need to add more headings or adjust your existing text to use H1, H2, or H3. The moment you update your headings, the table of contents refreshes itself, so there's nothing else you need to do. From here, using the table of contents is straightforward. Click any item to jump right to that section. It's especially helpful for longer documents, guides, or meeting notes where you want quick navigation. If you change a heading's wording or rearrange sections, the links update automatically to match your content's new structure. That way, your readers always get an accurate, up-to-date map of the page. And that's all it takes. Structure your content with H1, H2, and H3, insert the table of contents block from the plus menu or by typing /table of contents, and let Notion build a clean, clickable outline for you.